ice maker button functions and usage instructions. Connect power. Press the power button once to turn on. The ice maker water pipe starts flowing. It is normal for water to flow vertically down along the ice tray from the water pipe. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to enter standby mode. Short press the tap water button to switch water supply mode. Tap water icon display indicates tap water supply mode. Short press the tap water button again to switch. Purified water icon display indicates gallon jug water supply mode. Press the light button once. The blue light inside the machine turns on. Press and hold the light button to turn off the blue light. Press and hold the plus button. The ice thickness number on the display flashes, entering ice thickness adjustment mode. Short press the minus button to make ice thinner. Short press the plus button to make ice thicker. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to enter standby mode. Then press and hold the clean button for 3 seconds to enter the 30-minute automatic cleaning mode. The water pipe starts circulating water. After cleaning is finished, press the power button to return to normal mode.